Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you some tips for improving English. Actually all the learner want to learn English but they don't know how to start speaking English, how to learn English. So today in my video I am going to tell you how to start speaking English. So before starting the video I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. So as I am saying that how to improve our communication skill. All the learner want to improve English but they don't know how to learn English. So today in my video I am going to tell you some tips, and that tips is very important for improving English. And first one, listening. Okay, listening power is very important. Without listening we can't speak English. Okay, actually I have important example, and that example is a child. Okay, a child want to learn child native language, but child doesn't know any vocabulary words, any grammars, but child observes every person, okay, who speak child native language. Okay, so child observes every person and child watch very carefully. So I think this way is very important. We should learn as a child, okay, because we should observe every person who speak English well. I know, because you don't have any environment, you don't have any person who speak with you. Okay, so you should watch English video, okay, because there are so many video in available on YouTube. Okay, so you should watch English video and you should observe every person who speak English well. Okay, actually this way is very important. If you are good listener, definitely you will good speaker. So listening power is very important. Okay, another way, because you should think in English. Okay, you should try to think in English. Actually when we start speaking English, initially it happens, I know. Actually when we started speaking English, when we started learning English, so that times first of all I think, I used to think in Hindi and then translate, and after that I should to speak. You should not do something like this. Okay, you should think in English, okay, without mistake. Okay, only thinking in English. Okay, actually I think when you think in Hindi, and then automatically your mind will work. So I think in you should think in English. Okay, actually I know you don't have any partner. Okay, and you don't have any person. You should do something like this. You should make the video. Okay, actually if you don't have any partner, I know when you try to speak English in front of other people, so that times people don't say something like this, because this time you are making the mistake. Okay, people keep listening only. Okay, so you should apply this way. You should make the English video, and after that you check yourself. Okay, you can check yourself. Okay, and you can find your mistake. Okay, this way is very important, very fabulous. So that's why I am telling to you. And another way we have, don't fear of making the mistake. This is a very useless. Okay, it's very useless. Okay, you try to speak English in front of other people, so that time you think about mistake. Okay, I think it's useless. Okay, only try to speak without thinking mistake. Okay, people people don't say anything. Okay, people only listen. Okay, people don't say anything, so please don't afraid of making the mistake. Okay, this is a your thinking. Okay, this is a your thinking. Please don't think any mistake, only try to speak English. And another way we have, practice is very necessary. Okay, without practice we can't speak English. Okay, practice is very necessary. Okay, actually this times I am making the video in front of you, as well as I am having the practice with you. Okay, practice is very necessary. Without practice we can't. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you. And these ways are very important, so please you should apply these ways. Okay, for improving English. So in the end I would like to tell you, I am telling to you once again, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.